Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be going over a Python script to get financials from Yahoo Finance. So essentially, it'll be this page where we can pull the income statement, balance sheet, and the statement of cash flows on an annual or quarterly basis. So let's go ahead and take a look at our script. We have two functions, one for quarterly, one for annual, and it's interactive, so you'll get to choose the stock symbol that you want to get data for, along with whether it's a quarterly or annual request. And it's going to output some CSV files. So here I have an example requesting quarterly data for Tesla. So we have the balance sheet, statement of cash flows, and the income statement. And we can see that these are populated. Next is the cash flow statement and then the income statement. So let's run through another example. And we're going to go ahead and run the script. So here in the console, you'll see the request. And we'll do Amazon. And we'll type in quarterly. So here it produced all the output. Let's take a look at our CSV files. If we take a look at our folder for the CSV files, we now see Amazon in there, and all of these should have some output in there. Let's go ahead and review the code. So here first for the quarterly, we're going to pass in a ticker symbol. We're going to go ahead and assign it into stock, and we're going to pull some info such as the symbol that you passed in and the current price. We're going to pull the quarterly financials, the balance sheet, and the cash flow statement, and then we're just going to do some formatting. After we have the formatted data, we're just going to output as CSV files. Otherwise, you'll see an error, and it'll be a similar process to get the annual data. So we're going to go ahead and assign the ticker symbol, print the stock info. We're going to extract the income statement, the balance sheet, and the cash flow statement. We're going to run through each of these and format them, and then output as CSV files. Otherwise, you'll get an error, which gets printed out in the console. And lastly, we have this block, which makes it interactive. So we're going to input the symbol and the period type. And depending on what you choose, it'll grab one of these two functions and write all the files in your working directory. And that's pretty much all you have to do to get the financials from Yahoo Finance. And with that, guys, this concludes the video. I hope this was useful information. I'll leave a link down in the description area to my Patreon where you can find the script. Please consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't done so already. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.